Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can repost on threads. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open thread application. Okay, so once you've done that, you can see different posts on your home screen, and how you can repost that. You simply need to click on this icon. Okay, and it will give you an option to repost, so click on that, and here you can see that here you can see reposted. So click on your profile picture, and here you can see your repost. So this is the process by which you can repost on thread. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.